swear in the name of God that I will faithfully and consciously discharge my duties as a chairperson of the Goa Real Estate Regulatory Authority to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, without fear or favor, affection or regret. I, Dharmendra Sharma, having been appointed as a chairperson, do solemnly affirm in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a chairperson of the Goa Real Estate Regulatory Authority, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as a chairperson. I, Dharmendra Sharma, having been appointed as the chairperson of the Goa Real Estate Regulatory Authority, do solemnly affirm and declare that I do not have, nor shall I have in future, any financial or other interest which is likely to affect prejudicially my functioning as the chairperson of the Goa Real Estate Regulatory Authority.
त्यांचं पूर्ण सेटअप त्यांच्या लाईफ चहा भी I was being a temporary considered नहीं जाता that's why I suggested चहा भी किती आणून